Kochek to the stand. Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Be seated. State your name.
Barry Kochek.
Barry, you've heard the evidence here that Edward Keeley died as a result of a dynamite explosion in his airplane.
Yes, I heard that.
Did you place that dynamite in that airplane?
No, sir, I did not.
Your witness, Mr. Prosecutor.
This is Court 42, Sergeant speaking.
Now, you say you don't know anything at all about explosives, about dynamite?
No.
Did you ever work on a construction crew? Well, answer the question, Mr. Kochek.
Answer the question, please.
Yes, I did.
Did they use dynamite on that job? I beg your pardon?
What?
Dynamite.
Dynamite?
Dynamite.
I don't know.
You were on that job for over 3 months. You never heard any blasting going on?
Blasting, I might have heard blasting, yeah.
No more questions.
Barry, did you yourself ever use dynamite on that job?
No, sir, never.
What was your job?
I drove a truck.
Were you ever shown how to use dynamite?
No, I was not.
No more redirect, Your Honor.